Hi everybody, I am going to show you today how to get a natural look for the day. No crazy colors or techniques. It's pretty easy and it'll be just a nice natural look. So today for this I'm going to first start with my Silk Pore and Wrinkle Minimizer, and this will help fill in my pores and wrinkles, and you only need a tiny bit. So you want to apply that down, and I like to put it in my T-zone where my pores are bigger. And you apply that in a down motion and work it out. I actually put on our sunless tanning coconut milk last night, so I do have a little bit of a bronze look to me because I've got an event tomorrow to go to. So put that on, let it dry. Today I'm going to be using just the medium color correcting tinted moisturizer. So this is just our tinted moisturizer. It covers up redness. It's got Cineplex Complex in it, which is going to help you help protect your skin, and it's anti-aging throughout the day. So once that's set, I just put a little bit on, and I apply it to my fingers like this. And that basically is one full pump, but I spread it out. So, and I apply it with my hands most days. So I just put it together like that and blot it on. I had already put on my skincare, so I do wear this over top of my regular skincare, Climate Control, Cineserum C, and my daily moisturizer. I will link those in the bottom description bar so you can take a look at those. They're all available on my Cine site, and I will link that also in the bottom, and all of the products that I use today. So I just want to get that nice and mixed in. Okay. Next, I want to start with my eyes. I'm going to start with the light color correcting concealer. It's just a really good color for covering up any darkness, redness. It's so concentrated. I mean, you really need the smallest amount. And I'm going to put that on my lids and also under my eyes as well. Gives a nice even finish for just a natural clean look. Okay, now I'm gonna let all of that just set in, and I'm gonna work on my brows, because when you're doing a natural face, you wanna have a nice bold brow, and also you can do a nice bold lip. I'm not going to today. I'm gonna do more of a neutral lip, but I'm gonna make sure that my brows are nice and shaped. I'm going to use our Brow Sense. I do have microbladed eyebrows, but I do like to make the lines nice and clean with our Brow Sense, and I'm going to use it in the color Taupe. So Brow Sense comes in, this is what the packaging looks like. It's got a tiny little wand like that, and then at the top it's got a spoolie for you to clean up your lines. So, and Brow Sense is waterproof. It stays all day. You can swim with it. I'm going to use my mirror right down below you, but you can see what I'm doing. So you want to make, it makes nice little hair strokes, and I just like to make my lines nice and clean, even though I have my brows microbladed. I like to clean up the lines. So as you're going along, I have a mirror over here too. You just want to brush them out. Okay, next up. So Brow Sense comes in 4 different colors. The light taupe auburn, which is a nice reddy brown color. It looks great on almost everybody that has dark hair. And then there's one that is called dark, and it is perfect for those really deep color hair color girls. Okay, a little bit more right there. Perfect. Okay, so now that I have done that, all of my concealers should have set, and I'm going to actually use our natural powder. Now this is a very fine setting powder. It is translucent loose powder. You can actually open this, and if you ever want to use the product without the brush, you can use the powder right from in here. But I am actually going to use the brush today because I want to use a nice full coverage of it. So the way to do that is you actually want to keep the top on for this. You open or keep the top on, and it slides up and down, and that gets powder into the brush. You can see it there. And I'm going to do my lid with that, my face. So I have a nice matte look. So I'm going to just put that all over. And then yep. Okay. So that is in natural. I'm actually going to do a little bit of bronzer with the bronzing dust. Now when I normally do my bronzer and contour, I like to go over it with this from time to time. But today, since I'm just doing a natural, quick, easy look, I'm gonna just do bronze dust, and I'm gonna do the same thing and just go around my bronzing areas. This is a great powder. It is super fine, so it won't fall into your fine lines. It's finely milled powder. So you can see it's just a powder, and it's really great for now. I'm also going to do, since I'm doing no blush or highlighter, I'm going to do the same powder, but in the silver rose. And this is, it's got a little bit of silver glitter flecks in it, so I'm not super huge fan of that. However, if you use just a little bit, if you don't want a total shine, if you use just a little bit, it's really gorgeous for highlighting. So I'm just going to put that. Can you see? So I don't have it over here, but here it's got like just such a nice little shimmer to it. It's great for highlighting. I'm gonna go right here and just a little bit on this side. Okay, just with a big fluffy brush, I'm just gonna kind of, that line was a little bold. Okay, so that is my face. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of color to highlight underneath my eyes, or actually low light it, but I will use Mocha Java. And I'm gonna use just a little pencil brush, the Sigma E30. You can see that my brushes are a little dirty, but just to put a little bit of a line under my eye. And I just get the product on the brush like this from the applicator. That's what the applicator looks like. Okay, perfect. Now a little mascara and I am done with this look today. So what do you guys think? Easy, simple. I also am gonna do my lip. Right now I have our lip volumizer on my lips, so I will need to rub that off before I do my lips. Where is my mascara? Here it is. And I'm gonna use the Lash Sense in black. This is great stuff, guys. So if you don't have any, you gotta get it. My lower lashes. Tiny eye problems. Okay. Last for my eyes, where's my... I like to use a metal comb to brush through because I do not like that spidery, clumpy mascara look. I like it nice and clean. So get one of these, girls. They're your best friend. I like them to be all spread apart. Okay, that's my natural face. Boop, easy. I'm gonna layer Goddess and Bravo. Goddess is a nice pink, light pink color. Bravo is a very neutral color. Clean my lips off. You wanna make sure your lips are nice, clean, and dry. You wanna shake. Double time. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 layer of Goddess and 2 layers of Bravo. I'm gonna keep my lips nice and stretched, so I'm gonna look kind of silly for a while. Hinky. Let that dry well, and then apply 2 layers of Bravo. It's a little bit of a thicker formula, so I want to make sure it's nice and mixed. And clean off my bottle really well. This is great. All right. Last layer of Bravo. Now, where's my gloss? Glossy gloss. Awesome, huh? Thanks for watching.